How to fix iPhone cellular data not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to troubleshooting and fixing cellular data issues on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your control panel and then you gotta long press on this section over here. So if your cellular data is turned off, you can turn it on. However, if it is on, you can turn it off and then turn it on again. If it does not reset your cellular data, what you gotta do is click on airplane mode, and after that, once you click on it, you gotta turn it off, and after that you can click on cellular data again, so it will basically restart your cellular data. And if that doesn't fix your issue, you can try going to your settings. So simply click on settings, and over here you're going to click on general. Then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you're going to click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset over here, then click on reset network settings, and then you're going to type in your passcode, and after doing so you'll be able to see that you're able to fix iPhone cellular data not working. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.